Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use file folders on iPhone. First, locate and open the Blue Files app icon on your home screen. This central hub allows you to manage all your documents, photos, and other data. You'll see sections for on my iPhone and various cloud services like iCloud Drive. Tapping on these will reveal your stored content, making it simple to navigate and find what you need quickly and efficiently. To create a new folder, navigate to your desired location within the Files app, then tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. Select New Folder and give it a descriptive name. To move files, tap Select, choose the items, then tap the folder icon at the bottom. You can also drag and drop files directly into folders for quick organization. This keeps your digital space tidy and accessible. The Files app offers robust management features. You can easily share documents by long pressing a file and selecting Share, then choosing your preferred method. To duplicate a file, long press it and select Duplicate. This is useful for making copies before editing. You can also add tags to files, which helps you categorize and locate them quickly, even if they are stored in different folders. Beyond basic organization, the Files app has powerful advanced features. You can scan physical documents directly into the app using your iPhone's camera, turning them into digital files. To save space or bundle items, select multiple files and choose Compress to create a zip archive. Remember to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. These features help you maximize your iPhone's utility for all your document needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.